Okay. So next side heading is black body. What is meant by black body? Black body means
absorbs energy, sir. Emit cheys.
Oh, very good. Huh?
Black.
Black who? Yes. A black body is called as a black body. Clear, ma? Body black in color. Yes, this is also a black body. Are you able to understand? Why it is called black body? Because it absorbs all radiations, okay, ma? And does not emit any radiation. Are you able to understand? Okay, ma? See, ma, my shirt is black in color, so this is a black body. Why it is called black body? Because light is falling on this shirt and it is absorbing all the radiation, but it is not emitting any radiation. Are you able to understand? That is why it appears to be black in color. Okay. What is meant by white body? White light falls on that shirt and it emits all the radiations, because white light is a combination of 7 colors. No? So all the colors it will receive also, all the colors it will emit also. So therefore it appears to be white in color. Understood? No? Red body means what?
Only emit red.
It receives all the radiations, but it emits only red color radiations outside. So the body appears to be red in color. Are you able to understand? Ma? So color of the body is decided by which light it is emitting after absorbing. That decides the color of a body. Are you able to understand? Similarly, black body means the body is black in color because it absorbs all the radiations and it doesn't emit any radiation. So that is why black clothes always keep you warm. Black clothes make వేడిగా ఉంచుతాయి ఎందుకలా? Because they absorb every radiation, they doesn't emit any radiation. So total radiation can be converted into heat energy. Are you able to understand, ma? So summerలో black clothes వేసుకున్నారంటే పోతారు మీరు పైకి. Because whatever energy it is receiving, it will store inside without releasing any energy. That is the problem. Clear, no? Ah, yes. Clear, no, ma? గుండు కొట్టించుకో మంచిది. Okay, ma? Then we study about perfect black body. Okay, ma? See, ma, these are general black bodies, ma, which you are. See, my shirt is a general black body. But perfect black body is 100% of radiation will be absorbed, 0% of emission light will be emitted. No energy will be emitted at all. But this shirt, it is slightly emitting radiation. That is why you are able to see this one. Are you able to understand? We are able to see the black color clothes because they are emitting some light. So we are able to see them. If there is any body which only absorbs radiation and doesn't emit anything, then what happens to that body? You cannot see that body. Are you able to understand? So from that body light should come and fall on your retina, then only sensation of vision will be created. So if light is not at all coming from that body, you cannot see that body. And in universe we have black holes, no? Black holes. Star, our sun also at some point of time it converts into a black hole. Are you able to understand? So these black holes, what happens is their G value will become very, very, very large. Their G value, G, acceleration due to gravity, will be so large that even they will not allow even light also to escape them. They are producing light energy, but they doesn't even light also to escape. Are you able to understand? So automatically, so those stars we cannot see them. That is why they are called as black holes. So black holes in the universe, they are perfect black bodies now. And remaining, there are no 100% black bodies except black holes. Are you able to understand? So make a note of it. So what is meant by perfect black body, ma? It is a 100% absorber, okay, ma, and 0% reflector and 0% emitter. Okay, or you can write transmitter also. And 0% emitter also at normal temperature. Okay, ma? This is called a perfect black body. Okay. Now we have studied R plus A plus T is equal to 0, Nama. This is what we have studied now. R plus A plus T is equal to 1. Okay. So for a perfect black body, clear, Nama? So reflectance is 0. Transmittance also will be 0. So only absorptance will be present and it is equal to 1. Understood? No? And A means what? QA divided by Q, Nama? A means QA by Q only. No? 1 means what? I can write QA and Q both are equal. That is the meaning of this one. Q means total energy. Q means absorbed energy. Are you able to understand? It means whatever energy is incident on that body, it will absorb everything. It will not transmit or it will not reflect also. Such body is called as a perfect black body. Are you able to understand? And some scientists, they have tried to make some perfect black bodies. See. So one example is a Ferris black body. Ferris black body. You need not remember this. Just see the experiment what he has done. Sima. So he has taken a small shell. Shape of the shell and right to the. Okay, ma. Consider this is a shell. Okay. So small hole is made here, and here some triangular structure was formed. Okay. And total inside of this sphere painted with lamp black. Painted with lamp black. Okay, ma? So do you know what is meant by lamp black, ma? In olden days, lamps which were working on kerosene were present, you know. Okay. So they were releasing some smoke. So that smoke continuously, if it is deposited, it will become lamp black. Understood, ma? It is a very good black body. You cannot say it is a 100% black body. It is a very good black body. Clear, ma? So he painted this total inner surface of this sphere with a lamp black. And when you pass radiations through this body, then what will happen? They go and fall on this triangle, no, ma? So, and light follows which rules? Light follows the rules of reflection. Angle of incidence is equals to angle of reflection. So they will reflect one time. Okay. So here most of the energy is absorbed. And again it will travel like this. Here remaining energy is absorbed. And if there is some left energy, again energy will be transmitted like this. So by the time this light, it will complete 2 or 3 reflections, total light will be absorbed. Okay. And what is the amount of light coming out of this body? It is 0. So therefore it is behaving like a black body. Are you able to understand what is happening? So total absorbing should be there, emittance should not be there, reflectance also should not be there. So Ferris black body, it works like a perfect black body. Okay. It is receiving total energy, but energy is not released. Okay, ma? And one more property of a black body is when black bodies are heated at suitable temperatures, clear, ma? Then they emit all the radiations at every wavelength absorbed previously. Are you able to understand me? Clear? So this is one more property of a black body. So what black bodies can do, clear, ma? When you heat them at a suitable temperature, then they start emitting the radiations. How many radiations? All the radiations which they have observed previously. And they will emit radiations of every wavelength also. So that is another property of a black body. For example, if you take an iron rod, it is black in color, no? You can call it as a black body. Not a perfect black body, but it is a black body. So if you heat iron to a particular temperature, what happens, ma? First of all, it converts into red color, then it converts into orange color, then it converts into yellow color, and finally before melting it converts into white color. Are you able to understand? Why colors are changing? At each temperature, it will emit different kinds of energies. From where energies are obtained here? All the radiations are previously absorbed by that black body. Are you able to understand? So it continuously starts emitting those radiations. So this is another property of a black body. So it is a very good absorber also, and on heating it is a very good emitter also. Are you able to understand? That is another property of a black body. So write down. So therefore on heating, perfect black body is a very good emitter also. Is a very good emitter also. Okay, ma? So sun is releasing every wavelength, no? So sun is also considered to be a black body, but it is not black in color because it is heated, no ma? So it is emitting all the radiations. So that is why sun is also called a black body. Understood? So example is sun and all the stars. They are perfect black bodies. Okay, 100% perfect you cannot say, but they are black bodies. Okay, see ma'am. So next concept is emissivity, ma'am. Emissivity means it is the ratio of emittances, ma'am, or emittive powers. Okay, so ratio of what? Emissive power of any body to the emissive power of a black body. Okay, we compare emissive power with what? Emissive power of a black body, because black body has highest emissive power, no? It is a very good absorber also, it is a very good emitter also. Okay, so emissive power of any body we compare with emissive power of a black body, then that ratio is called as emissivity. Are you able to understand, ma? So emissivity means emissive power of any body to emissive power of a black body. Okay, now we write one case here. Case is that, so what is the emissivity of a black body? So this is emissivity of any body, no ma? If I want to calculate emissivity of a black body, then what I have to do? Then very simple, emissivity of black body, emittance of black body divided by what? Divided by emittance of black body. Everything I have to compare with black body only, no? Okay, so this is emissivity of any body, ma. But in the case what I am calculating emissivity of a black body only. Then what I have to do? Emissive power of a black body divided by emissive power of a black body. So this is equal to 1. Understood, no? So therefore emissivity of a black body will be how much? It will be 1. So this is another important point. So therefore I write emissivity of a black body is how much? It is equal to 1. So in many calculations he will say just it is a black body. Then you have to remember that its emissivity will be how much? It will be equal to 1. Okay. For remaining bodies, clear ma? So 0 is less than, emissivity is less than 1. So emissivity lies between 0 and 1. Are you able to understand?
Yes,
Because emissivity of general bodies, it is always less than emissivity of a black body, no ma? So ratio is always less than 1. Okay. So therefore you can write emissivity of any body is always less than emissivity of a black body. So emissivity is always less than 1 for other bodies. But for black body we are comparing that with the black body itself only, no? So therefore its emissivity will be 1. That is the point.